Hello teachers and welcome to another tutorial here for Salitana. This is a video made for teachers who like to make group classes or class packages. So let's get right ahead with jumping into the class. You click on the first one here, which is called group class. So this is only for a single class, and the other one is class packages, which involves several classes. So let's take the first one first. So we click in here, and you click add class. So in this case, we're going to make a Danish for beginner course. It's going to be in Danish. The slug, is what comes after the URL. So you might want to customize this with your name, so people know that it's you. You can put in a rectangular image, which will appear on the website. This is important, so when people see the class, it should look a little bit appealing. In here, we're going to add a pre-text that I have made. So this is just a description saying, "Oh, welcome. This is your Danish lesson. Uh, what will be covered in this single class?" The fee might be a little bit less than your normal one-on-one fee. So let's say, for instance, I normally charge $20 per hour per session. So I will put here 10. We have max learners depending on how many students you want to have on the same class at the same time. In this case, we'll put a maximum of 5. I like to do it on Wednesday, so I say put Wednesday 4 o'clock. So Wednesday 4 o'clock, and this is going to be 60 minutes. So depending on, you can also put $5 here. You can put maximum of 10. It's up to you. After you're finished, always click save. Oh, I have another class obviously at the same time, so we're going to do it at another time. So there it saves, which also means that if you have a book lesson or a class at that time, it is not going to take it. So here we have it in English, obviously, and we're working in English, so we just click save, and that's how it is. We click here. Now we're on the website, and you will see here's the one we just made now for May 16. When we click on this, you see here the 5 seats is one lesson for $10, and up to 5 people can apply. Once one person, one student has applied, then it will be live. Then you obviously have to do the class. Now, if you want to make a class package, which means that it's a class for several segments, you might want to say, okay, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, for 2 weeks, we're going to have Danish beginner lessons, and then you have a small group of people, and then you might want to give a discount because it's several classes. So in this case, we click add package, and you then have to determine, say, okay, how many classes are going to be in this package. So in this case, we can put 3. So we have the beginner, learning the Danish alphabet, for instance. And then we have maybe greetings and hellos. Order a cup of coffee, which is always popular. So this is also Danish for beginners. It could be Danish advanced. I would put here probably A1 levels, if that's what you're catering to. I have Danish. This is the only language I have here. Morten's package, for instance, you can put that here. You can then choose to take another banner. I use the same one, and we have the pre-prepared text here as well. You can obviously put in your own text depending on what the class will cover. We put max 3 learners. So now this is what's important is that you say, okay, how many minutes are is this class? And this will then make 60 minutes for each of the 3 classes. So let's say the first class is going to be on Friday, and then the next class is going to be on Saturday, and then the next is on Sunday at the same time at at uh, at 6 o'clock. So it's 3 classes at 60 minutes each. So it's 3 hours. How much will you charge for the 3 hours? So let's say we charge $10 per session. So we make this 30, just as an example. And you can have up to 3 learners. So potentially you can then make $90 doing these 3 lessons. It's up to you, of course, what uh, what you want to say to that. Once you've done that, you click save, and this is all in English, so it's all good. You click save again. Let's go and have a look at. Click on group classes, and there it is. Here, May 17. This is the one we've just made. If we click in on this, we can see the details. Here's the 3 seats that we made, the 3 lessons at $30. And hurry, there are only 3 seats left. So here's the description, and you have the classes here and all the details for each class. So when people will, when students will log in and buy this, they're buying the whole class package. We're not going to call it a course, but that's going to be a separate video. But this is then the package for 3 classes. You can make 5, 6, 10 classes, depending on your schedule. This schedule will also synchronize with your calendar, so you can't be booked during those hours that you have this course. So thank you very much, and if there's any questions, please reach out. Thank you. Bye bye.